Good day, everyone. This is your favorite teacher, Soroosh. And last time we talked about food. Do you remember? Well, today, me and you, we're going to review what we learned. So as always, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's practice. Okay, my first part. Vocabulary, food and drink. So complete the crossword. Okay, you can take your time, do it yourself or with me. Let's start. Chicken, cake, cereal, jam, steak, butter, milk, cheese, coffee, rice. As easy as that. It's your turn now. I have two exercises for you. So exercise B, write the words in the right column. For example, vegetables, snacks, fruit. Apples, apples. So this one is crossed out. Now C, complete the sentences with food words. You can use the words that you used here. For example, can I have some cheese on my pasta, please? All right. Stop the video. Test yourself. Yes, test yourself. And if you have done it, well, let's check it out together. Now, vegetables, carrots, mushrooms, onions, peas, potatoes. Snacks, candy, chocolate, cookies, nuts, sandwiches. And fruit, of course, apples, bananas, oranges, pineapple, strawberries. Now, complete the sentences with food words. Let's see. Number 2, there's ice cream or fruit salad for dessert. Number 3, I prefer fish to meat. Salmon is my favorite. Number 4, do you take sugar in your tea? Okay, number 5, there isn't any bread, so you can't have a sandwich. Number 6, we have eggs for breakfast every morning. Number 7, do you cook with butter or olive oil? And number 8, there is some lettuce, but there aren't any tomatoes, or Australians say tomatoes, so I can't make a salad. Very good, as easy as that. Now let's review the grammar. Do you remember countable, uncountable, a, and, some, or any? For example, what did Sarah and Martin buy when they went shopping yesterday? Write a, an, or some in the blanks. So they bought some sausages, okay? Some lettuce, some eggs, an apple, some peppers, some orange juice, a pineapple, an onion, some seafood. So it's easy, right? But you did the first part with me. Now it's your turn. Write a or an or some. An ice cream, some ice cream. Okay, stop the video, do it. And if you're ready, well, with me, what do you say for coffee? A coffee, a cup of coffee. Now, here's some coffee. What's this? A chicken, some chicken. A cupcake, some cake. Yeah? Now you know the difference. But it's not finished yet. Follow me. I need you to write positive and negative sentences. For example, there's some milk in the refrigerator. Negative, there isn't any milk in the refrigerator. So when it's positive, you use some. When it's negative, you use any. Okay, you can do it with me or stop the video and do it yourself. Your choice. Okay, number 2, there are some herbs in our garden. There aren't any herbs in our garden. Okay, number 3, I didn't have an egg for breakfast. I had an egg for breakfast. Number 4, there isn't any sugar in my coffee. There's some sugar in my coffee. Number 5, I didn't eat any snacks yesterday. I ate some snacks yesterday. Number 6, there weren't any spices in the cupboard. There were some spices in the cupboard. Number 7, she made a cake for his birthday. She didn't make a cake for his birthday. And there was some bread on the table. There wasn't any bread on the table. As easy as that. You see, positive and negative. So for positive, some, for negative, any. Let's practice it a little bit more. Okay, so you need to complete the conversation with some, any, a, or an. Okay, let's do it together. What do we need to buy for our dinner party? Let's make a list. Well, I want to make a lasagna, so we need some pasta and some meat. Pasta and meat. What about tomatoes? Are there any tomatoes in the refrigerator? So you can see, for negative and question, we use any. All right, let's look. There's an onion, but there aren't any tomatoes. Put those on the list too. Okay, tomatoes. Is there any cheese? Yes, there's some mozzarella cheese, so that's perfect. Let's have a salad with lasagna, with the lasagna. Okay, then we need to buy some lettuce. What about dessert? Is there any fruit? No, there isn't. Let's get some strawberries. All right, so write about your list. Okay, write 10 things that you think are in your refrigerator or you need to buy. Make a shopping list and then compare your shopping list with your friends. Talk about it. Imagine that you have a party and you need to buy some stuff. Your turn. And this is the last set for today's exercise. 3 egg, a train, hey, right? Circle the word with a different sound. Take your time. For example, look, tree, meat, breakfast, tea. So breakfast is different. Listen and check.
9.1. File 9A. Pronunciation B. 1.
Meat. Breakfast. Tea.
2.
bread, healthy, ice cream,
3.
Eat. Great. Steak.
All right, that's it. You can listen again and repeat. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And that was the practice for part 9A. You can download the slides in the description part, and if you have any questions, you can contact me with the channel's WhatsApp link. I'll be seeing you again. Practice on a daily basis. Great things take time, but if you work for it, it will happen sooner. Bye-bye.